Welcome everybody to Ontario Motor Sales. No, there are a lot of different Silverados in the Chevy lineup, but none quite as unique and prepared for anything as this pre-owned 2022 Chevy Silverado ZR2. What a absolutely incredible find here at OMS. This has only 35,000 kilometers, is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history, and a certified pre-owned vehicle. We are going to take you on a tour of this ZR2, show you all the amazing features and the condition so you can have a great look at it from wherever you're watching, and then hurry here to OMS to get into the driver's seat. Now, as you can probably tell from just the first few seconds, this is not a regular Silverado. The ZR2 is the true off-road version of it. We're going to explore a lot of those features. We're going to start off though with what is underneath this fantastic hood. This has the 6.2 liter V8 engine connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. You can see the hood is a unique hood to the ZR2, as well as the front bumper and the rear bumper, because this is designed for a much greater approach, breakover, and departure angle. You can see how it's just cut right down. Even in the back, it's a hidden exhaust in the rear. So when you're coming over ledges and things like that, you've got plenty of ground clearance. In fact, you have 11.2 inches of ground clearance. Now, underneath the truck, of course, is all the armor that you're going to need to protect you from the rocks and everything else you might be driving over, and the suspension. Now, this has the Multimatic off-road suspension, which is going to prevent shock fading, and it's also much smoother transition from on-road to off-road. Have a look at that. That is not the Rancho shocks. Those is the Multimatic suspension. So absolutely fantastic. And then look at these wheels. 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires, 18-inch black alloy wheels, again, exclusive to the ZR2. And we have a factory lift on here as well. You'll see the nice ZR2 logo here in the fender. Great looking side view mirrors with the LED turn signals. We've got step bars down on the bottom to help the little ones get in, because it's quite a jump up to the top. And I mean, have a look at this. It's such a head turner. Now let's continue around here. Take a look at the suspension in the rear. Heavy duty leaf spring. Sorry, I'm just going to try to get my camera down there. There's your Multimatic. All right. So again, as I said, larger approach angles, breakover angles, and departure angles. We've got one pedal rock crawling mode as well, which is very cool. Coming around the back, we do have the the multi tailgate. I forget what it's called. So much stuff to talk about. ZR2 badge in the back, step up, piano black rear bumper, integrated trailer hitch. This does have the trailering package as well. You can tow 8,900 pounds, and the exhaust is hidden underneath because, again, the off-road capability, they want to hide the exhaust so that way you don't go bumping it as you're off-roading. Now, let's drop the tailgate here. Factory applied spray on bed liner. We have a 400-watt power outlet in the back, so if it's power tools, tailgating, camping, whatever the case is, lots of power back there. You can, of course, drop this down as well. This will fold up as a bed extender, which is really handy, of course, right? So if you got something hanging out, that's going to hold it there. Let's continue our tour around the passenger side, show you the fantastic condition on this passenger side. Now, this is a certified pre-owned truck, so you're going to get a 150-point inspection, well over and above the ministry standard safeties. It's also got a minimum threshold for brakes and tires, 3 months, 5,000 kilometer limited comprehensive warranty. You get 3 months of satellite radio for free and a 30-day or 2,500 kilometer exchange privilege, but you'd be crazy to ever give up this truck. Look at the headlights up front, LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, little accent light there, and the nice piano black front grille. And then we have LED fog lights down below, the fantastic red recovery hooks, and the special Chevy bow tie at the front. I mean, this is an absolute head turner. Look at the presence this thing has. Whew, it's so pretty. Now, if you think this is nice, let's go look on the inside. I'm going to start off with these back seats and then we'll work up to the front. So having a look in the rear, full crew cab, room for 3 adults in the back with plenty of room to spare, I'm sure. Now, the ZR2 features this very unique interior. We have the yellow accent stitching, this nice kind of taupey brown, and then the charcoal gray. And then we do have the storage in the seats as well, a nice big center armrest, and then heated seats in the rear. You can see those there. USB ports, cup holders. We even have the floor liners in, so when it gets a little muddy, not a problem. Just get mud on your floor liners, take them out, clean them up. Up front, power slide, sunroof up top, and again, this beautiful, unique interior. These are heated and ventilated front seats, so air-conditioned seats. We have a power driver's seat with power lumbar support, which is hooked up to a 2-driver memory system with the easy entry exit assist. I'm going to forget to tell you, it has a Bose stereo simply because there's so much other cool stuff in here that we want to talk about. But let's hop in here. All right, so now here we are in the business end of this Silverado ZR2. Just want to give you a look around from the driver's perspective here. Now, the first thing you're going to notice when you hop in is right here. Look at those big hood scoops. You can just see them protruding up, and I mean, yeah, you definitely know you're in something different. Now, safety features on this truck, I know it seems kind of silly to talk about it, but hey, let's face it, want to stay safe still. Forward emergency braking, forward collision warning. We've got blind spot warning in the side view mirrors. We've got lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, a great around view camera system. I mean, it is very well equipped. It's super safe, so don't worry about that. Up front here, we've got a leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We have our gear selectors here on the steering wheel as well as paddles, and then check out this fully digital driver's gauges. Now, you'll notice the odometer, 35,192 kilometers. On the right-hand side, you've got your different drive modes, and as I make different selections, it goes through and it changes that little graphic there and gives you a little animation too, which is kind of cool, right? So those are your different drive modes. That is all done right here. There's also the trailer tow mode. There's the 2-speed transfer case for the 4-wheel drive. There's your light selection as well. Now, speaking of the 4-wheel drive, this has front and rear locking rear, I'm so used to saying that. Front and rear locking differentials. There are some, of course, elevation, all that kind of stuff. They all have the locking rear. This has the locking front as well. So if you are crawling through mud, that's what you want to use, and it's going to be an absolute dream. You're going to have so much fun if you take this thing in the mud. Oh my gosh, I'm jealous. Oh, okay. Infotainment system, let's check this out. So we have the latest and greatest from Chev. You can see here we've got XM satellite radio, Bluetooth audio, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's all available, sure. Onboard maps via Google Assistant, that's all with the OnStar subscription. Now, it's a little glary because the previous owner still has the factory plastic on the screen. If that's any indication of how they wanted to keep this, I mean, I love seeing that. So I apologize it's a little glary, but I don't want to take it off, so we're just going to leave it as is. I'll let you have the satisfaction of peeling that off. Here's our camera system. So as I mentioned, you have the around view camera. This is the front camera view. This is your rear camera view. We also have the angles here. You look down. Now the trailering view is super nice. You want to back up and hook up. No problem. You don't need somebody outside the truck to do that. You can do it all right here with the right camera angles, which is super important to me. I like that because I don't like having to be dependent on other people to hook up a trailer. I always feel a little silly. Here is your trailering app as well. So you can connect your trailer, do your light check from here. Whole bunch of cool stuff is available right from this trailering app. And again, tow 8,900 pounds with this. I'm going to let you explore a little bit more the infotainment when you come in for the test drive. Here's some more of the control panels here. Dual zone climate control, USB ports everywhere, as you can appreciate. Here's the integrated trailer brake controller, the push button start. Nice big center console. Left the keys in here to remind me we do have a remote start on this, and then you can drop your tailgate right from there too. But it's nice to have the remote start. And then inside this nice armrest, notice the contrast stitching, there is more USB ports, a wireless charger, and a regular home outlet. So, I mean, there's probably 9 or 10 places you can charge up stuff in here, which is really nice. I love having the regular home outlet. This is the vehicle file. This is the vehicle build sheet. This is going to show you the warranty expiration dates, all the features on this truck, and this is all here waiting for you to explore when you come to OMS and take this out for the drive. Here is our Carfax, 1 owner, no reported accidents. Here's a big bonus. With the purchase of this Silverado, you get 4 free oil changes, just as a nice way of saying thank you for doing business with us. Listen, if you are not just drooling to come in here and get in the driver's seat of this Silverado ZR2, oh man, come on, come and check this out. It's an absolute incredible machine. It's going to turn heads, so unfortunately you're going to have to like getting a little bit of attention, but what an absolutely incredible find. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see you on Ontario Motor Sales.